Good morning, Central Florida. Don Snyder with Evolution Deep Clean. As I said, we're always bringing on new services. We got our friend right here. This is Shane. He's with Dri-Ready. He's out of Kissimmee. Tell a little bit more about the company, your company.
All right. So again, we're based out of Kissimmee, Florida. It started with dry cleaning exclusively, actually with the buffer system, and then moved on to a truck mount. We do carpet, tile, upholstery, stone polishing, things like that. We can do wood floors, and obviously VCT. So we're out here today with Don. We're going to go ahead and show him a thing or two and see if he can't slip and bust his ass a couple times.
We're always want to bring something on, and we don't just slap things together. We like to work with people who are experts in it. That way, when you use our services, you can trust us. And so that's the kind of stuff we like to do. Plus, Shane's a good guy. He's also a fellow vet. So if you're down in the Kissimmee area, Celebration, Davenport,
Poinciana, Harmony. I'll go all the way out to Harmony past St. Cloud, all the way out to Claremont on the other end, down to Davenport, Poinciana, and all the way up to Altamont. We have a little bit of overlap, but if you're up in Don's area, be sure to call him.
Birds of a feather flock together. We take care of each other.
Exactly.
All right. Y'all enjoy the weekend. If you're not hitting the beach or the pool, you're missing out because there's a reason why we're in Florida while everybody else is dealing with snow.